Hi friends! Today we're going to work on activity 2, Patterns of the Moon. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's moon demonstration videos. Looking at your launch log on page 6, there's an area for you to draw a picture of the moon, the sun, and the earth. I'd like for you to make sure that your sun is colored yellow, your earth is colored blue. Now, if you don't have a printer at home, that's okay. You can draw a picture of this on a separate sheet of paper. Important direction is to show how the light from the sun reflects off the moon and onto the earth. So make sure you include that in your picture. And if you need to go back and look at the moon demonstration again, the link is in today's agenda. After you're done with your picture and you've colored, fill in the missing words. The two words are sun and moon. Think about this. Light from the reflects off the and into our eyes. When you're done filling in your words, I want you to look at page 7 of your launch log, and I'm going to show you some pictures of the moon. There are lots of different ways the moon can be seen from the sky. Sometimes it looks like we call it a crescent moon, right? These are the 4 main categories that we document the moon. The first is called a new moon, and you're going to see that picture right here. The second is called the first quarter, and so you're going to notice that about half of the moon we can see really well, whereas the new moon, we can't really see most of the moon. Maybe we can see the outline of it in the sky, but it might be hard for us to see. The next phase is called the full moon, and this is where, well, you see a full moon when you look up at the sky. And the last is called the last quarter. You're going to notice the other part of the moon is more visible to us compared to the first quarter. See how in the first quarter, this side is lit up? We can see this side better in the last quarter. Pretty cool, huh? I have a schedule of when there will be a new moon, a first quarter moon, a full moon, and a last quarter moon. And fun fact is, on most calendars, you can see the date where it shows you what the moon will be looking like that night. It's only on a couple days in the month when there's a new moon, first quarter, full moon, or last quarter. So if you do have a calendar at home, you might see on either April 22nd or April 23rd, there's a new moon. And so when it says April 23rd, 02:26, that means that at 2:26 in the morning, there's going to be a new moon. Now you can probably see the new moon before you go to bed around 8 o'clock. So there's no reason why you should be up really late at night observing the moon. What I would like for you to do tonight is right before you go to bed, look up at the sky and see how the moon looks. You might want to take a picture or quickly do your assignment. I'm sure mom or dad could help remind you the next morning what the moon looked like. After you observe the moon, I want you to draw a picture of what it looks like and you write about it. So if you notice that maybe there's a cloud and it's hard to see, you can write about that, or you can wait till the next evening right before bed. Make sure you're not staying up too late and observe the moon then. Can't wait to see some of your observations.